Shalom, welcome to shalomadventure.com, our Hebrew lesson number 8. Quick review, I, Aleph, and Ayin, both making the silent, both silent. The bet making the B sound, the vet making the V sound. The ahs, the two ahs fall at the bottom of words, are vowels there, making ah sound. The resh being a rounded R sound, the dalet, dented D sound, dalet, D. The gimel, oops, those are my letters here. Sorry about that. Gimel, boy, gimel making the G sound with the gap down there. The nun, no gap, and the final nun, okay, no gap. And that's what it looks like. And our practice of our letters, start with the ah vowels. With our letters, the silent, B, V, D, R, N, G, if you want to think of it that way, or silent, Aleph, Ayin, Bet, Vet, Dalet, Resh, Nun, Gimel. Okay, let's read them together with the ahs. Ah, ba, da, ra, na, ga. Okay, now let's practice it with a mixture of the vowels, same letters, same consonants. Ba, va, de, re, ne, ge. Okay, remember the dots? 3 dots or 2 dots. Make the like eggs. Eggs in a basket. Okay. The new letters is yud. And it just looks like that. It doesn't come down very far. It's almost like a apostrophe in our English apostrophe. Just this little yud there. Yud. And it makes the Y sound like the name makes it yud. Y. Okay. And then we got a new vowel. It's the E sound. And it's just a single dot. And it's down at the feet of the letter. And so if that'll help you to remember it, down at the feet, making the E sound, or if you want to think of it as like a little green pea, rolled off the table and down by your feet, and so your green P, E, down by your feet, eat, E. So if that helps you, but it's a single dot down at the bottom, makes the E sound. Okay? All right. So we're going to read this word here. We've got our yud, makes the Y kind of sound, with our ah, and then our dalet, D, yad. And the word yad is hand, yad. Yad Vashem is the Hebrew Holocaust Museum in Israel, Yad Vashem. And then we got this right now. Sorry, got the here. There's 2 dots straight up and down. We're going to learn that a little later. Just ignore it for right now. It's actually silent. We'll learn that again. It's silent, and so with the ah, we're just going to focus on the ah. The 2 dots straight up and down are silent. So I guess technically we got 3 silents in Hebrew. The aleph, the ayin, and the 2 dots straight up and down are silent. And so with the ah, we're just going to focus on the ah. So we got the aleph and the ah, and then the nun, and then the E sound. And now the yud at the end, it is still a yud. It doesn't lose its sound technically, but if you had an English word and it was spelled, let's say, E-E-Y, right? So we'd have, right? So our E-E-Y, right? Or let's say even with the N, right? Let's split this in half. An English word, N-E-E-Y. How would you pronounce that, right? Still be ni, right? You wouldn't say ni, right? So the Y just gets lost in the E. It combines with the E. It's still there. It's just all together. It's still making the y sound. Y after E. E ends with a Y kind of a sound to it. So it just blends in there. You kind of lose it, is what happens to it. So it doesn't become a silent yud, but after the E, you just lose the sound. You don't hear it. It just blends with the E sound. All right, so let's try and read this. Again, just focus on the ah and our silent, right? So it's ah, ah, ni. Ah, ni. So together, ani, ani, ani. Right? And ani is I. Ani, ani, in the Hebrew. Thank you for joining us on Shalom Adventure for our Hebrew lesson today.